Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And I'm back, you guys, with another unboxing. Still for my birthday, y'all. So you want to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys. So, another birthday unboxing. This one was one from my husband. I went between this bag and a bag from Louis. But this one won out. This kept popping up on my timeline. And I knew that I wanted it. So I was just like, why not get it, right? So you can probably tell from the size of the dust bag what this is, right? So I got the Empire 40. Empire Carryall 40 in the navy, you guys. This bag is just sexy, y'all. So the navy came back in stock and the Merlot did as well. The Merlot is beautiful. It is beautiful. But y'all know I've been looking for a blue bag for quite some time, y'all. And I knew that I wanted this bag. I just want to spend my coin. So, yeah, I got this, y'all. This bag is just... I know y'all seen this bag before. A lot of people have it. A lot of people have done reviews on this bag. It is just absolutely beautiful, y'all. And I can use this for school. It'll fit my laptop and my notebooks and all of this stuff. And throw my wallet in here and just... Oh, I love it. I don't know what took me so long to get it. I just don't want to spend my money. That's true. Truth be told, that's what it is. I just don't want to pay for it. I love it, y'all. I was thinking about getting some chains or whatever to put on here, but I haven't decided. But I know I don't want the New York stuff. I'm a Southerner, y'all. So all of that New York stuff, it's just not my vibe, okay? So... I love it, y'all. This is beautiful. It is just, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. Oh, I love it. And once again, y'all, I know this is a quick, it's just the unboxing, y'all, because, you know, once again, I'm not going to really use this right now. But, I just wanted to show y'all what I got for my birthday, y'all. Beautiful. I'll do a what's in my bag and everything once I get situated, okay? So, thank you guys so very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all. I have enjoyed my birthday month, y'all. I love y'all, and I will see y'all later.